Okay, so have you ever like wished that your laptop could, do more than just keep up with you? I mean, what if it could like actually anticipate your needs and seamlessly connect with like all your other devices?
Yeah, well, I think we all want.
That's like the promise of the Galaxy Book5 Pro.
Yeah.
And today, we're going to take this like deep dive into the tech that makes it tick, right?
Yeah.
We've got this awesome YouTube video that like lays it all out. So we're going to, unpack how this could change the way you work and play, really.
Yeah, so the thing that's really exciting to me about this is, it's a laptop that really puts AI front and center. It's not just like a sprinkle of AI here and there. It's like AI is baked into the core of the device.
Exactly. So let's talk about that AI powerhouse aspect.
Okay.
Right? They keep mentioning the Intel Core Ultra processor.
Right.
What is so special about this processor?
So this is this processor was designed from the ground up with AI in mind. Okay. And the key to that is this dedicated NPU, which is essentially you can think of it as like a little co-pilot in your laptop.
Okay.
That's solely focused on making all those AI tasks run as smoothly and as quickly as possible.
So I'm picturing like a tiny little robot inside of the laptop, like crunching numbers at warp speed.
Yeah, pretty much.
But like, what does that mean for the average user? Why should they care about, all this NPU stuff?
So it all comes down to speed and responsiveness.
Okay.
So the NPU enables like lightning fast performance for all those AI powered features.
Okay.
So things like image recognition, natural language processing.
Right.
All of that happens in the blink of an eye with this new processor.
Okay. Yeah. That makes sense. So let's dive into some of those like really amazing features. Okay.
Yeah.
So AI Select sounds super intriguing.
Yeah.
It's like almost magic to me.
So AI Select is it's pretty slick.
Okay.
So imagine you're working on a project.
Right.
You need to pull a quote from a website.
Uh-huh.
You need to grab an image from a document.
Right.
Maybe snag some data from a spreadsheet.
Yeah.
AI Select uses computer vision, which basically allows your laptop to see and understand the context of what you're trying to select.
Okay.
So you can seamlessly copy and paste all of that.
Oh, wow.
Even across different applications.
That's amazing. It's like copy and paste evolve into something like truly intelligent.
Yeah.
Okay, so what about writing assist? Could this be like the answer to every writer's, dreaded enemy?
Okay.
Writer's block.
It certainly has the potential to be a game changer for writers.
Yeah.
So this AI-powered tool can help you, refine your writing.
Yeah.
It offers suggestions for wording, catches those pesky grammar errors.
Right.
And it can even help you generate content based on your prompts.
Wow, generating content. That like brings up so many questions.
Yeah.
Like, is this going to make writers like obsolete?
Yeah. Will we all start like sounding the same if we're relying on AI to like write for us?
Yeah, it's a fascinating dilemma.
Yeah.
And it's a while these tools can be incredibly helpful, it does raise questions about the future of writing and creativity.
Yeah.
And it's a conversation we need to be having as AI becomes more and more sophisticated.
Yeah. It's not just about the like technology itself, but also the impact it has on, how we work and how we think.
Yeah.
Now, they also mentioned this feature called recall.
Okay.
It seemed pretty cool, but they didn't really explain it very well.
Right.
So what's the deal with recall?
So recall is the perfect example of how the Galaxy Book5 Pro seamlessly integrates with the entire Galaxy ecosystem.
Okay.
So your phone, your tablet, everything.
So it's like, you know how your phone and your other Galaxy devices are already connected in so many ways?
Yeah.
Well, this is like taking it to a whole nother level.
Precisely.
Yeah. So with storage share, for example, you can access files stored on any of your other Galaxy devices directly from the laptop.
Okay.
It's like having this one giant shared storage space.
So recall can like search across all of that.
Exactly.
So it's not just looking on my laptop, it's looking on like all my stuff.
Across your entire
That's pretty impressive.
digital Galaxy world.
Okay. And then there's nearby devices.
Yeah.
Which makes like connecting and sharing between Galaxy devices super easy.
Incredibly easy.
So like imagine giving a presentation.
Right.
With a simple like tap, you can share your slides from your phone to your laptop and have them up on the big screen.
Right.
Like in seconds. That's seriously cool.
Exactly. Yep.
Okay, so we've got all this amazing AI, right?
Yeah.
We've got this super connected ecosystem.
Uh-huh.
But they did mention one thing
Okay.
that wasn't directly related to AI.
Okay.
The battery life.
Right. And it's a big, yeah.
The Galaxy Book5 Pro boasts up to 25 hours of battery life.
That's huge.
Which is pretty incredible for a laptop these days.
I mean, who hasn't been in that panic situation where, like, your laptop battery's dying and you're like, oh my gosh.
Yeah, we've all been there.
You know, so it seems like Samsung is, like, really pushing the boundaries here, you know, like focusing on AI, seamless device integration, but also, like, not neglecting those, like, practical features that just make life easier.
Absolutely. Yeah. And as AI becomes more and more integrated into our lives, you know, the Galaxy Book5 Pro gives us a glimpse into what the future might hold, a future where technology anticipates our needs and helps us unlock our full potential.
A future where, like, maybe we can finally conquer writer's block, right?
Maybe so, yeah.
I'm excited for that.
But the bigger question is, like, will we even need to write at all?
Oh, wow.
You know, perhaps we'll be communicating telepathically through our Galaxy devices. That's, like, mind-blowing.
It's something to ponder.
Yeah.
For sure.
That is a lot to think about.
It is.
Okay, well, thank you so much for...
yeah, this was fun.
For this deep dive.
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
We'll see everyone next time.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. For more detail, you can visit our blog website www.evergreentechtips.com.